So in this video, we're going to look at semantic chunking, which is the most powerful mechanism to chunk. Welcome to Techie Talks AI. I'm Sri from Shogini. On this channel, we bring you hands-on demonstrations and insights into the latest tools and trends to help you get started with ease. Don't forget to subscribe and be a part of our journey into the future of technology. So first, let's run the web application. This is the semantic chunking demo application. We have ported this from the Agno cookbook folder. So it is loading the vector database. Okay, that is ready. Let's query the knowledge. And when we query, what happens is this query will be converted into an embedding, which is a vector. And then it will do a similarity search using our local knowledge base vector database containing chunks. So here is the response. Okay. So now let's look at the original code from Agno. So this is the semantic chunking. There is no difference. You have to include the semantic chunking module from Agno, and here we have to use the semantic chunking method, and we are providing a similarity threshold. You can try different thresholds to see what works best for your data. Now the code that you need to run this is given in the description. All you need to do is to git clone the repo URL, and then you will have a folder like this, Techie Talks AI, and cd into Agno agent knowledge chunking 005 semantic chunking -pg. And once you are there, you need to run docker compose build to ready the Docker images, and then docker compose up adminer, which is a tool to look at the vector database, and then run the Postgre vector database. And after that, we can run the command line application run app. This will run the Python application that we just saw, but using our local Postgre database. So you don't need to run the Postgre database separately. When you do docker compose up itself, PostgreSQL database runs. So that makes it very easy for you to run this locally on your system. All you need is Docker. So it is loading the chunks into the vector database. Okay, so that has been converted. Now it is querying. Okay, so that is the response. Now, how do we run the web interface, Streamlit web interface, app, docker compose up, app-st. Application is ready and it is loading. Now let's look at the code. Here we have the app.py code, which is identical. Only change that we did is change the database URL to the docker compose PostgreSQL. So here, instead of localhost, we are specifying the service name from the docker compose, the PG vector. This is the service name. That will be the host name of our Postgre vector database. Okay, so that is it. This is, and then here we have the Streamlit application, which is again similar to all our previous examples. We are including the Streamlit library, title, subtitle, left bar, help menu, etc. And then here we are loading the knowledge base. And this is the text input where we enter the query. And if we enter and press, and if the query is populated, here it will run the agent with our query. Okay, so that is it. If you have any questions, please come by the comment section, and please remember to like, share and subscribe. See you soon in the next video. Bye-bye.